And now it's here. Or should I say, I am.
Thanos, you're a dirty, dirty supervillain. It's time for you to get a wash. Now go to the Lavadora.
This day extracts a heavy toll.
I promise you, Thanos, this is going to be fun.
Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe. But this does put a smile on my face.
Time to wash away all the filth, Thanos. You're gonna be the cleanest Titan in the universe.
All that for a drop of blood.
See, Thanos? This is perfect. Nothing in need of correction.
The universe required correction.
Come on, Thanos. Just spin and enjoy.
I'm gonna enjoy it. Very, very much.
Oh, thank you, Thanos. You're my best friend.
I don't even know who you are.
Hey, Thanos, what do you want for dinner? It's difficult for me to make a choice.
The hardest choices require the strongest wills.
Oh God, Thanos, you lost your marbles. You're crazy.
They called me a madman. And what I predicted came to pass.
Hey, Thanos, what are you doing afterwards, when you're done?
When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive.
Oh, Thanos, I feel so sad. I'm always losing. I'm a loser. I don't know what to do.
I know what it's like to lose. Feel so desperately that you're right. Yet to fail, nonetheless.
But how could I live with this feeling of failure?
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Hey, Thanos, yesterday I went to a bar and got into a physical altercation with another person. We began to argue and then fight. I decided to wrestle him, so I went straight for the legs. But then, I was defeated.
You should have gone for the head.
Maybe so, but I was so depressed and humiliated, so I ran away. So I hope everybody in that bar forgets about me.
I hope they remember you.
But Thanos, I don't know if I have the strength to face my problems.
Dread it. Run from it. Destiny still arrives.
Oh, Thanos, thanks a lot for helping me. You know, I think they're trying to stop you.
They're not trying to stop something I'm going to do in our time. They're trying to undo something I've already done in theirs.
Well, I got your back, Thanos. You helped me so much. I owe you so much. How could I ever repay you?
A small price to pay for salvation.
And where do you see yourself when all of this is over and you retire?
I finally rest and watch the sunrise on a grateful universe.
Again with the sunrise stuff, Thanos? Everybody knows about that.
I'm the only one who knows that. At least I'm the only one with the will to act on it.
Aw, give me a break, Thanos. I know you don't believe that. Come on, Thanos. Zip it.
You should choose your words more carefully.
Aw, Thanos, bro! You know I'm joking. I owe you so much. You taught me so much. You taught me agriculture. You taught me economy. You even taught me life science. Thanos, I cannot be untrue to you.
I never taught you to lie.
Well, I don't know about you, Thanos, but I'm starting to feel successful. I'm starting to feel like a winner. How about you?
Today I lost more than you can know.
Okay, what else don't you like?
Going to bed hungry?
Well, alright, Thanos, let's change the topic. Have you seen my sister? I haven't seen her in ages.
Some time ago, your sister snuck aboard this ship to kill me.
Oh no, Thanos, does this mean I have to choose between you and my sister?
I assume you have a preference.
Well, were you at least able to resolve the matter?
And when we faced extinction, I offered a solution.
Offering a solution to the problem is always great. Plus, I'm sure my sister was upset because her favorite goldfish, Buck, died.
But now is no time to mourn.
I agree. Now, it's time to eat. Let's go, I know this great shawarma place. You're gonna love it.
How is it you know this place so well?
Well, I've been there so many times, I practically live there. Are you prepared to come with me?
I am prepared.
And rest assured, Thanos, I will pay for the food.
You're generous.
Careful, Thanos, it's centrifuge time. After that, you can go back and finish your work.
But the work is done. It always will be.
Oh, Thanos, you're so predictable.
I am inevitable.
Inflatable?
Inevitable.
Inflammable?
Inevitable.
Biodegradable?
Inevitable.
Irrevocable?
Inevitable.
Unforgettable?
Inevitable.
Well, okay, if you say so.
That is destiny fulfilled. I never taught you. I am prepared. Undone. I finally rest. And watch the sunrise on the great fruit. Run from us. Where destiny still arrives. I never taught you. Correction. Hungry. Some time ago, your sister finally rest to kill me. Watch the sunrise on the great stacks of heavy tolls. Now